Good morning, students. Yesterday, what we have discussed, types of farming we have discussed, and in that, subsistence farming, dry farming, wet farming, shift agriculture, plantation agriculture, intensive farming we have discussed. Then we have discussed about farming methods, organic farming and sustainable farming and mixed farming. So this next thing is very important in this chapter, that is agriculture products of India. As per the season, the agriculture crops of India be grouped in the three categories. um, One, kharif crops, second, rabi crop, and third one is side crops. So kharif crop means what? Crops which are taken during rainy season are called kharif crops. Crops which are taken during the rainy season are called kharif crops. And rabi crops means crops which are taken during the winter are called rabi crops. So kharif crop means that the crops which are uh, taken on the monsoon and crops which are taken on the winter are called rabi crops, and side crops means crops which are grown during the summer are called side crops. Okay, so these are the three difference between three crops: kharif crops, rabi crops and side crops. So kharif crops is on the monsoon, and rabi crops on winter, and side crops on summer. So we will move to the next point. The time for these crops is from June to July to October to November. Means time for these crops, kharif crops is June to July and October to November. Okay. Then time for the rabi crops was from October to November. Okay. Time for these crops is from October to November. And side crops, time for these crops is called March to June. March to June. Okay, kharif crops is from June to July, and rabi crops is from October to November. Zaid crops is from March to June. And next one is paddy. Which are the crops in that? So paddy, maize, jowar, millet, cotton, till, groundnut, mung, and mud are kharif crops. So these all are the kharif crops: paddy, maize, jowar, millet, cotton, etc. That are the kharif crops. And rabi crops are wheat, gram, barley, mustard, linseed are rabi crops. Then coming to the side crops, that is paddy, maize, groundnut, till, millet, and fruits like watermelon, cucumber, muskmelon, etc. are side crops. Understood? So these are the difference between side crops, kharif crops, and rabi crops. So these all are the things. So kharif crops is grown on monsoon, time of June to July, and rabi crops is on November, March to April, October to November to March to April, right? And kharif crops is from June to July to October to November, and side crops is to March to June. Okay, and this is kharif crops is grown on monsoon season, and rabi crops is grown on winter season, and side crops is grown on summer. These are the main difference, and which are the crops that is mentioned. Understood? Major agricultural crops. Agricultural crops. Due to the diversities in geographical conditions, climate, variety of land, the amount of rainfall, etc., different crops is grown in different parts of India. So, which are the different major crops and food products? Major agricultural products of India are food grains like paddy, wheat, jowar, millet, maize, barley. Pulses are tur, mung. This you can read. Then oil seeds, beverages, cash crops. Cash crops. We see cash crops. Which are the cash crops? Cotton, sugarcane, jute, tobacco, and rubber. Which are earning money. That is known as cash crops. Then coming to the condiments. That is cumin seed, fennel, isabgul, etc. like that. Then fruits, vegetables, that you see. Then food grains. Grains are cultivated about 75 percentage of the total area sown, and about 50 percentage of the total production comes from grains. Major food grains are as follows. So food grains, 75 percentage of the total area sown, and about a 50 percentage of the total production come from grains. 75 percentage of the total area means total area sown means to cultivate, and out of that we will get only some percentage of production, that is known as total sown area. So grains are cultivated about 75%, underline that, of the total area sown, and about 50% of the total production comes from grains. Understood? So that you have to underline. Major food grains are as follows. First one is paddy. Paddy is our most important crop. A large majority of the world and about half of the population of India uses rice. India stands second in the world after China in the paddy production. Underline that. India stands second in the world for paddy production. After China, paddy is on over one fourth of the total zone area. Underline. Paddy is on over one fourth of the total zone area. Means paddy, we are one fourth. Means if it is 100 into 1 by 4, that is the actual figure. Mm. That is a crop of torrid zone. Torrid zone means you have studied last year temperate zone, torrid zone, and frigid zone, right? Temperate zone means temperate zone means hot area, and torrid zone means average climate will be there. If whether it is rain or monsoon, rain or hot, like that. So torrid zone, hot and humid climate, minimum temperature of 20 degrees Celsius, fertile alluvial soil, and more than 100 centimeter rainfall are necessary for more production. Means more than 100, underline that, 100 centimeter of rainfall is necessary for the uh, more production. In the region of less rainfall like Punjab, Haryana, and Uttar Pradesh, this crop is taken through irrigation. Means less rain is there. If we have to take more irrigation facilities, means water facilities, etc., like that we have to take. So that is the thing. Then more human labor is necessary for paddy cultivation. More human labor is required. Means mostly most of the people, more number of people are required for this. And West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Bihar, Orissa are major paddy producing states. Kerala also it is there. The crops is taken 2 or 3 times in West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Orissa, and Tamil Nadu. In Gujarat, paddy is grown in Surat, Tapi, Panchmahal, Ahmedabad, Kheda, Anand, Valsad districts. Paddy requires more water. However, instead of keeping the paddy fields fully under water, paddy is grown by irrigating through sprinklers using less water. Sprinklers, you know, this water is flowing towards a pipe, and it is spreading all over the farm. That is sprinkler. Then coming to the next, that is wheat. Then all the crops are there. Then you read today, and we will discuss tomorrow. This all other types of crops. It is cash crops is there, and other food grains. The hot beverages is there, and types of pulses are there. So that is for this day. So